Yeah, maybe I can get lucky out here. You've got to be careful where you go because the water's flowing down here. Yep, New Year's dinner's cooked, and I'm gonna fry it up with some spices and shrimps. Gonna be great. Yeah, you're probably wondering what's going on. It's the 1st of January 2022 and I'm gonna sell my camper, and for the money I get in from that and some extra probably, I'm gonna buy a portable sawmill, a real sawmill with rails for I think 7 or 8 meters length. And here where the camper was, I'm gonna build some racks for all the locks, and they're gonna lay on that, in that direction here, and the sawmill's gonna be down here. I'm gonna cut down a few trees and make a deck, yeah, something with a roof on, and a stable deck for the mill. And the cabin's going to be built up there, so you might as well start now. All the snow has gone, nearly. There are small patches left, but anyway, I think I'm going to continue tomorrow. I'm quite hungry now. I don't even know what time it is, but I think it's, yeah, around 2 or something, 2:30. So it's gonna be dark. Yeah, maybe I should do half an hour more and get some of it ready up there. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'm gonna make some kind of a rack here to where the logs can lie. Oh yeah, until I mill them. I don't want them lying on the ground, and I'm gonna start off by peeling them, all the bark, because if the bark is on, and yeah, I can't remember what it's called, the thin moist layer between the log and the bark, where all the water goes, is a greasy substance. I have to peel all that off, because when the insects are gonna come, and they are gonna come as soon as the spring is coming, if there's still bark on the logs, the insect's gonna go in, and especially if that thin layer is on, because it's full of sugar and all. So I need to have some place where the logs can lie off from the ground or away from the ground, and where I can peel them, and I can roll them down there. I'm going to make some kind of ramp so I can roll them down there and do the cutting on the mill. Yep, and might as well. I had to go and get a tape measure, and I baked these last night. Yeah, I know it was New Year's Eve and you have to celebrate and party, but I don't. Yeah, small update on my small piggy friend. He's well and doing fine. He comes here every night between 8 and 9 and stays until he's finished eating, and that can easily take 2-3 hours. Going around picking up corn and apples. But until now he has been behaving, because the ground has been frozen, but now it's thaw, so and the ground is starting to be a bit soft in the top, so let's see what happens. But he's gonna get an apple a day to keep the hunter away, or whatever you say. Yeah, because that tree is standing, and the weight is against the barn and the wrong way, and I want it that way. I need to make a pulley system, and so I can pull this way. A figure of 8 down here and a posing knot up here, and it should be possible to pull in the right direction. Let's see This is heavy because it's wet. Can't imagine this is like this. I can't imagine how much they weigh when they're this size. Yeah, 4m20 and 6m20, and 6m20 is the length I'm gonna get the locks. Yeah, 6m20 for half of them, and 550 for the other half. I just need to chop all these branches, clean up in there, and that's enough for today. Just need to cut up or chop a little bit of these so they can dry. And be ready for next winter. Last one. And now it's time for coffee. I need to take the big tree down. I would have preferred to leave it, but when the logs arrive and I have to roll them down there, they will be lying in this direction and the mill is going to stand in that direction. So the logs are going to be turned. So I need space. And it's a bit dangerous with this tree because it's leaning the wrong way. Yeah, it's leaning, hopefully, it's leaning in that direction. And that's into the roof of the barn and that piece of tin roof there. I hope I can pull it enough this way so it'll go, yeah, maybe it'll take away some of the roofing, but I don't know, but not the barn. I'll have to chance it. Yeah, here goes nothing. I only have my small chainsaw. The big one is in the shop for repairs. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Big tree, toy saw, and the weight in the wrong direction. Yeah, bad luck. The big saw is in the shop for repairs, and now the exhaust went on the small saw, so now I'm left with a small electric one, and it's very old. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah! Whew! Fantastic! And it was a tall one. It tops all the way up to the old apple tree. Yeah, it's all the way up here. I took a bit of it. That's a massive one.